On the edge of a mystical forest, Shahzadi Meher stood gazing at the strange, flickering light within the ancient ruins. Tall and dignified, with a wisp of determination in her eyes, Meher had heard legends of the Naag, a serpent born of flames, whose magic could save her drought-stricken kingdom. Meher stepped cautiously into the ruins. Vines hung low, and wisps of smoke curled around broken stones. Suddenly, a thunderous voice echoed, and from the shadows slithered the serpent of fire, his scales ablaze with golden light. He circled Meher, wary but intrigued by her bravery. "I seek your help," Meher declared, her voice steady. "My people suffer for water." The serpent's eyes glinted. "Many have come, but none dared offer kindness. If you wish to break my curse, you must show me trust." Meher reached out a bare hand, her heart pounding. She closed her eyes and spoke softly of the beauty she saw in even the most terrifying places, believing that understanding could end the serpent's isolation. To her amazement, the serpent's flames began to dim, and his form shifted, revealing an ancient guardian, forever bound to fire and loneliness by his own bitterness. Moved by Meher's compassion, the guardian surged upwards, summoning rain clouds that burst into life over the fields beyond the ruins. Flowers sprang from the earth, as if remembering the touch of the rain. Their destinies forever entwined, Meher returned as a heroine, the curse broken not by force, but by kindness. The serpent of fire guarded her lands from afar, a flaming silhouette in twilight, watching over the princess who had restored his soul. And so, the fairy tale whispered through generations. When darkness threatens, it is courage and understanding, not swords nor spells, that truly light the way.